Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Umul Qura Public School online classes. It's your English lecture, and I am your English teacher, Anam. So, our today's topic is Does he remember? This is for grade 5. Let's start. First of all, we are going to mention the chapter. Chapter number is 3. Our topic is Does he remember? Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words. I have already explained these words during reading. Number 1 word is amusing. Amusing means funny. Second word is bay, to bark loudly. Beware, be careful, take care. Emitted, give out light or sound, released. Frantic, greatly excited, fumbled. Awkward handling. Leash, a chain to control animal. Muse, to think deeply. Prey, victim. Risk, danger. Scurry, to move quickly. Shuffle, to walk slowly, to drag feet. Next exercise is exercise number 2. Write sentences of the following. Number 1 word is amusing. Padlock is a kind of lock. Climbing, hungry, urgent, waited, shuffle, fumble, lamp, and lock. Last exercise is answer the following questions. What did Moin see when he arrived at the gate? Answer. When Moin arrived at the gate, he saw a sign that said, Beware of dogs. If you remember, there were dogs in the house. Give two reasons why Moin did not climb over the gate. Moin did not climb over the gate because he knew that the sign might be true and that he was too old. He wasn't able to climb the gate because he was old. How do we know if Moin had been in the house before? Yes, Moin had been to the house before. We know this because he was thinking about all the occasion he had visited this very house. What kind of room was Nabil sitting in? Nabil was sitting in a large dark living room. How did Balubari reacted to Moin? Balubari reacted angrily. If you remember, it was the name of a dog, a blind dog. How did Moin leave the property? Moin left the property by running out and leaping over the gate. Which words and phrases tell us that Moin was frightened of Blueberry? The phrases kept close to the old man and Moin edged forward showed that he was frightened. How do you think Blueberry recognized Moin? If you remember, Blueberry was blind, so he recognized Moin by his smell. So this was our topic for today. Thank you so much giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.